Not going to do these. Yeah. So this is page 234 to 237. Can we all agree we need some more practice identifying different domain and range and all that kind of stuff? Is that fair?
Does an odd, if it has an odd degree of function,
We're not, okay, just so to let you know, we're skipping A, B, and C. Actually, no, you can do C. We're skipping A and, oh, it is just the degree. Never mind, we can do degree.
well, I'm just wondering, at an odd degree of function, I know like, this was 1, and this was 2, and then 3 was like a little like.
Is this 296?
236.
236, yeah.
So it's absolute extreme of living.
I mean,
I don't understand what it's.
just, so like, notice what you just said. Y equals x to the first looks like this. Y equals x to the second looks like this. X to the third looks like this. So does this look, does it look odd or even? Does it look more like a parabola or more like a cubic? Look at the end behavior. That looks like a cubic to me. Right? So because the end behavior goes in different directions, that's an important thing to notice. With an even degree, the end behavior was always the same. Right? So is the degree of this function even or odd? Well, it's odd degree. And we want to note the end behavior goes in different directions. But could this be a cubic? Like, that's what C is asking. Can this function be a cubic?
No.
Why not?
The arrows aren't going. It's not
That's a
like-
quadratic you're thinking about, right? X squared. Cubic is like this.
Oh, yeah.
How many zeros does a cubic function have?
30, this one has 1, 2, 3, 4.
Nope. Say it again.
1, 2, 3, 4, yeah, it's 5.
Remember, that's a double root. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Because remember, what did you just say the degree has to be? It has to be an odd degree, so could it be 4 roots? No, it had to be 5 roots. Okay? Anybody know what this would be? It's not cubic, it's, this can be quintic.
My question came from the page before. It just says an odd degree function blank has an absolute extreme. Like I'll always, sometimes, or never.
We're skipping this, we're focusing on the,
I know, right on there.
what was what? You see this where it just touches the x-axis and then goes back away? Whenever it just touches the x-axis, it's an even number of roots. So it's double, it's triple, something like that, or double or quadruple or something to that degree. And technically, any of those roots there could be just any odd, but
So this is.
I gotta show you the whole group. But we'll talk more about it tomorrow. Probably have another same check after that. Man, we are behind. But as always the case. Okay, so here's the homework. Notice what was due yesterday is up here. What is due today that I'm letting you turn in tomorrow is up here. I don't think we'll get to this by the end of the week, but you should plan to turn those 2 things in on Friday. But this will take you some time. This that was due today. That's why I assigned it last Tuesday, Monday actually, so that you had over a week to do it.
I tried to send one that way.
Say again?
Oh, wait, is that it?
Yeah.
82.
I actually do have some of y'all's homework to get back to you. I just need to make scans of it first. Also, you might want to look at doing test corrections and retest Actions.
When can we do the test prep?
You can also, I mean, you have your test back, you can do your test corrections. What's
I
up?
have my test.
I haven't found it yet. I'm gonna be looking for it during this planning block that I have, and I'll email you a copy of a blank sheet if I don't have it. I assume you didn't find it in your notebook. What I may just do then, instead, because like I may have made a mistake on that, I may just take it out of the notebook instead of leaving it to zero. Okay? Let me think on it, and I'll let you and your mom know, okay?
Number 2 and 3.
Some of those things you should already be able to do, some.
7. Practice 1, 2. Gotcha.
What's up, Dan? Yeah.
Oh, can we turn in that?
Yep, if you're done. Yeah, we haven't done average rate of change yet.
You told us it was due today, that's why I'm rushing.
I told y'all to do everything until here.
Oh, well, I thought you said everything is.
No, just everything until here. Now, this you will need to do, just not yet.
Okay, so.
But yeah, you can just leave it here and look at it. What's up, Lashane? Did you have a question as well? Huh? Okay.
So you sent an email, and what should it say, like, Mr. King, like, do a block?
I sent one last Thursday that I sent to you and Karen that just had it laid out what homework was due and expected during the Friday, which was.
Does it show the missed homework?
It does not have that on there.
Because that's what I need, like, I don't even know what I'm
Just
missing.
a list of what you're missing?
Yes.
So I was gonna ask parents if they wanted me to make a Google sheet that lists everything that students are missing, so I can go ahead and make
I
that.
mean, yeah, I went to ask my mom, she doesn't.
It's on Power Schools too.
I can't help
Anything-
power skills, I don't know,
Okay.
but like, how do you, where do you get the username and stuff from? Is it the same as the TCC?
It should be your email and whatever password you use to log on to your computer,
Okay.
or the computers here.
Yeah,
think-
I'm having trouble with the whole online.
Hey, you don't happen to have enrichment with Lexi, do you?
Which I do.
Can you give this to her? She asked me about this. I filled it out, y'all are doing
Oh,
something
yeah.
with that?
We have to put a recycling box
Yeah.
in like our classes. I was like, Miss Aldrich, you wasting paper in the fact that you're doing that when we could verbally just be like, hey, you good if I put a box in your room? Yes.
Yeah.
Okay.
It is what it is.